Introducing the Powerbuilt Uni-Jack. It's the world's first and only portable jack designed to safely lift and hold both regular and unibody cars and trucks. Simply pull the pin and raise the ratchet bar extension. Make sure the release valve is closed, then just pump the handle to raise the support arm. As the Unijack lifts, a ratcheting safety latch automatically drops in place to secure the left arm in position. With a conventional jack, it's challenging to properly lift and hold the unibody vehicle. Because once the vehicle is raised with a jack, there's no space left to add a jack stand. Hard enough on a regular vehicle, but what do you do when raising a unibody vehicle? The Unijack offers both concave and flat lifting surfaces to accommodate a wide variety of lift points, lifting from the frame or from the axle. The 6,000-pound Unijack offers a lift range from 11 to 21 inches, makes it ideal for cars, pickup trucks, SUVs, vans, and Jeeps. Powerbuilt Unijack meets or exceeds ANSI standards and is protected by a 1-year warranty. And for added lift range, simply pull the pin and raise the bar extension. Can also be used on other applications such as home leveling repairs and RV leveling. So the next time you need to lift and hold your regular or unibody vehicle, reach for the one jack that does it all. The Powerbuilt Unijack.